Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Smooth low portion fall starts. Oh my god, it's really bad for all of you, but don't worry. Every coin takes time to become positive. Refinance price is completely going down. Why it's going down? Let me show you. But before starting this video, guys, click the subscribe button and also like this video. Guys, you can see here in the start of August, the price of smooth low portion SLP coin is positive, but from the last 1 week, the changes is going wrong. 0.17282 USD dollar. That is the live price of the SLP. And the other side, if you look the changes, so you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the smooth low portion SLP coin is completely going negative. Why it's going wrong? Why it's going negative? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, subscribe now. Guys, you know what? The short-term investor make this disturbance in the market. Guys, in the beginning, I told you all of you that buy now. Especially for short-term, I really advise that please buy now. And guys, you know what? In the previous time, the AMP coin. Let me show you the last 1 month price chart. SLP coin. So in the previous time, they taken a quick jump. I'm talking about this time, guys. They taken a quick jump. So at this time, they buy the short-term investor buy AMP coin, and when they reach to this time and now currently price, so they understand that now it's a continuous falls. So the short-term investor going to sell. So the supply is low, and if the supply market is low, so the price going down. That's why. That's the reason behind that. But guys, if you're a long-term investor, so that's really a huge profitable opportunity with all of you. Now the price is going cheap. The price is going to decrease. So buy now in the cheap price, and when they reach to high price, sell. You get profit opportunity. If you're a long-term investor, that's I advise just for long-term investor. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.